Hey guys, in this video tutorial I will show that how to design this sticky bar. Look at to this page here. Here you will see the sidebar as to be sticky. So now I'm gonna scroll down. Once I reach to the footer, it will be scroll. Okay. So we will design this sidebar using Elementor page builder. So let's get started. And here I'm gonna create a new page for the sidebar design. So I'm gonna create this page and then I'm gonna click on edit with Elementor. And now I'm gonna add a new section. So I'm gonna click on add new section and select these two column, right? And then I'm gonna select another section. So here I'm gonna select another inner sections here. Okay, so now I'm gonna remove these things, right, and decrease this column according to the size, right? And now I'm gonna select the text heading text to write the search right here, search, and let's change the font color. I'm gonna change the font color from here, and then I'm gonna change the font size to be 16 pixels, right? And then I'm gonna select the search form. So I'm gonna drag the search form from here. Okay, you can customize it from here, right? So now I'm gonna focus on the sticky sidebar. Now I'm gonna search for the post here, and then I'm gonna select this post and drag here. Okay, so let's change the column into 1 and post per page. That's it, and the image position to be left and decrease the image width from here. Okay, that's good. And let's remove the x off, also remove the comment, and it's looking good, right? And also remove the read more button. You can customize it from here by styling. You can apply styling, increase font size, everything you can customize from here. I have already designed the posts, so I'm gonna search here for loop, and then I'm gonna drag the loop here, and let's select my template. So I'm gonna select the template from here. So this one is my template, and I'm gonna select the 2 column, and okay, that's looking good. Okay, so now I'm gonna click on update, and let's preview the page. So look at to here, you will see the sidebar as to be not sticky. So let's sticky the sidebar, and now I'm gonna apply the CSS class to here. So this one has the main sections. Right now here I'm gonna drag these all inside these sections. So I'm gonna drag all the module also outside the section. So I'm gonna drag inside this section. Okay, and then I'm gonna apply the CSS class, and now I'm gonna write the sticky section, right? And then I'm gonna apply the sticky column here. So I'm gonna apply the class sticky column. Okay, so now we will add the custom CSS to here. So I'm gonna add the custom CSS. Now here I'm gonna click on custom CSS, and here I will paste the custom CSS. Don't worry, I will provide in the description. So I'm gonna paste here, and you will see here the sticky section code, and this one is for the sticky column code. Okay, you can increase the top sticky from the top, increase or decrease from here, right? So I'm gonna update, and let's review the page. Is it working or not? Okay, so now I'm gonna scroll. So you will see the sidebar is sticky. When I reach to the bottom, so it will be scroll. Okay, so if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like, and share. Thank you.